Yeah, hey, who are you? Max is my name. Welcome to my channel. Alright, now we're going to look at a very interesting way of making money. You're going to be paid for just receiving text messages on your phone. I mean, you're holding your phone every day, you use it daily. How about earning from it? Okay, so now using this website, and application on your phone, you're going to be paid money directly to you. So yeah, now the site we are reviewing today is moneycmsapp.com. Okay, now this site will pay you to send you text messages. That's quite interesting. Okay, imagine being paid to receive messages on your phone. You always do that. Cool. So now guys, now you go to the website and download the APK file. Okay, now that's the file you're going to execute in your phone so that the application is downloaded on your phone. Yeah, now this only applies to Android phone users. Okay, Mac guys, sorry, A plus does not apply in the US, so this will benefit anyone outside the US only. So just come here, download the app, okay, and execute it to open, and then start using it. Okay, good app to earn money. I recommend it. There is your referral number. Yes, so guys, that's it. It's not complicated, it's brief. Yeah, just come here, download the app, then earn money. Okay, you can be paid using PayPal. I see Bitcoin, I see Skrill, and many other avenues available. So guys, just come to this website, download the APK file, execute it on your phone, and well, wait for messages. The text messages come and you're paid. Actually, when you sign up, they pay you some money immediately on your phone. Okay, here are your frequently asked questions, some of the questions that people ask all the time. Okay, they're good to be summarized right there. As usual guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I produce videos, a couple of videos every single week. Okay, so just hit the like button so that you get notified every time I drop a video. Also, the very first link in my description shows you the most recommended resource that will teach you how to make multiple sources of income online. Okay, yeah guys, and if you want to make more money with this platform, you can always refer a friend to also join the system and earn money. As usual guys, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video, and be sure to sign up for this money. It's automated. Okay, just do it. Right, link button, give me a thumbs, and see you in the next video.